Hi guys! Another unboxing from the Facebook. Okay. Which is good for everyday page job. Facebook yung page job. Kung kayo sinasamagitan sa Bible, verses, ito ay malaking tulong. It's a good help for everyday spiritual food. Ayan. Meron silang pa-thank you card. Ayan, the page jar. Page jar. Yeah, welcome to page jar. Transfer your emotions with faith. Ayan, maganda to. Jar, the page jar. And this will give us a transformation for spiritual Bible verses to uplift and guide you through every emotion. And each color represents a different emotion. Yellow for happy, blue for sad, green for thankful, and more. Simply choose a color that matches your mood and discover a carefully selected verse to inspire and comfort you. Marami siyang verses dito guys. So perfect to perfect for personal use or as a thoughtful gift. Faith jar provides a daily choice of spiritual encouragement. Believe that timeless words of the Bible bring wisdom, comfort, and faith into your life, and colorful verses at a time. So, maganda itong pang-gift. I try this one to buy kasi minsan masarap magbasa ng kahit isang verses. Teacher. Masarap itong regalo sa akin ng friend ng birthday. Kaya titingnan ko muna kung regalo siya. Dalawa sana mga ka-discount. It's 700 kasama yung nag-engrave tayo ng name. So kung i-gift ko ito, pwede ito regalo ko sana. Ayaw mo kanya. Ayaw mo pa bukas. Masisira mo na siya. Yung box. Ayaw mo pa bukas guys. So, at mahirap buksan. Paano ba easy open na ito? Ayan, ito ang Facebook. Lalo ito nababasa. Ito yung transform na. So cute. Ay, ganun pala yun. It's the Lord. It's gano'n. I-gift pala to. This one, guys. This one. I-gift mo. Ito yung hulog ng time. 35. Ayan, cute siya na siya. Cute lang pala siya. Ayan. How do you feel? So, nandito yung mga emotion mo, your moods. So, yung blue daw ay sad, my gosh. Pero it will inspire you or motivate you. Oh, sad. Oh, may mga ano naman siya. Kung ano meaning ng yellow, happy. And blue, sad. Angry. Oh, may iba't ibang emotion. Tapos pina-engrave ko siya guys. So, sabi niya. Maganda itong pang-gift. Ay, siya. So, you have to get. Ganda. Huwag lang mabagsak. Kailangan nilagay lang natin ito sa stanted. Yan. For example, dito. Blue. You get blue. You get blue one verse. Ayan. Blue. Ang blue daw ay sad. So, sabi sa Bible, Lamentations 3:31-32. For no one is abandoned by the Lord forever. Though he brings grief, he also shows compassion because of the greatness of his unfailing love. Ganda yung verses niya. Sa Lamentation, ganda yung verses. We get another one. Examples. From Revelation 21:4, verse 4. He will wipe every tear from their eyes, and there will be no more death or sorrow or crying or pain. All these things are gone forever. So, naman, diba? Pag si Lord ang nasa buhay natin, no matter what, every tear from the eyes, and there will be no more death and sorrow. Kaya natin yung orange. Orange ay Matthew 6:34. So don't worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will bring its own worries. Today's trouble is enough for today. Yan. Daming verses to. Hindi tayo mag-worry, di ba? For tomorrow. Siyempre, enjoy natin yung present, yung the day itself. Diba? For tomorrow will bring its own worry. So, iba naman kasi ang tomorrow, today, diba? Yan. Ang ganda. Pagka-inspire. Pag tayo ay sad, and very sad, or happy. Ang happy ay yellow. Orange pala yan. Get one. Gandang po regalo, mahal lang yun. Pero cute. Cute siya. Na-engrave ko siya ng nail. Ecclesiastes 3:12. So I concluded there's nothing better than to be happy and enjoy ourselves as long as we can. Ay, ang daming verses pa to. Tingnan natin yung green. Ano ba itong ng green? Lamentation again. The faithful love of the Lord never ends. His mercies never cease. Ayan. Great is His faithfulness. His mercies begin and fresh each every morning. So ayan. Mga po mo naman ito yung verses na ito. Ang pangtingin. Let's see. First Peter 4:8. Kasi sinabing ganito palang pagbukas ng page. Thank you guys for watching. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.